How's it going, boys? I hope you guys are ready for an IRL video, because I haven't been playing that much Minecraft lately, and I documented the past month of my life on video, so maybe I'll start vlogging. Who knows? Enjoy. Like and subscribe. So here I was in California, not ready to leave my collie pups, but ready to go to New York and just chill with the boys. You know, I got bros all over the world. You are my bro.
Yes.
Don't forget that. You are one of my bros.
Sir,
I said all over
yes,
the world.
sir.
You're all over the world.
Waiting all morning.
So all the clips you saw just now are from my first day being in New York. Obviously, I was there for a long time if you can't tell by the lack of uploads. And I even posted once while I was still out of town. I was in Florida when I made this video right here. So a lot happened while I was gone. I got pretty heavy into fitness. I haven't been taking videos lately, but grinding super hard. Super hard. And I guess we just keep going from here. Had some fun party nights with the boys. And I skated a lot, and you guys will see some clips. Did a little bit of late night skating as well. Oh, I also went hiking too. Made it to the top. Woo! Jeez. So update, it's 3 days later. I didn't record for the last 3 days. Don't even remember what I was doing, to be honest with you. I think I was just spending time with family. I had a lot of family in town around this time. I know we went to this mall. Not gonna say which mall it is, lol. But we did some escape room thing, and it was actually kind of fun. But it was super random. We just kind of did it out of impulse. It was just kind of like, oh, Eddie's in town. Let's do this. Keep in mind, I was with my cousins and a friend at this mall. All right, let's turn lo-fi back on and continue the video. It is 10:30 p.m. I'm skateboarding with a speaker in the village of Lancaster, like I know where the f I'm at and like I know how to get back home. And I'll be honest with you, I got no idea how to get back home. But it's okay, because life is on YOLO mode. We don't give a f. That's right. So I took a quick stop at the antique store in New York, and it's actually pretty cool. I haven't been taking videos lately, but grinding super hard. Super hard. And I guess we just keep going from here. No fucking way. No fucking way. There's no bananas in the whole fucking house. The whole fucking house. Well. So that night ended pretty early. As you can tell, I was exhausted. I went to bed like right after I finished that shake. Fast forward 2 nights later, it's July 4th, and I'll let the clip play. Hello, boys. Out skating at midnight once again. It's okay. We staying safe. It's July 4th and it reeks of fireworks outside, but hey, I'll live through it. Barry, what time is it? 12:30. Like midnight, 12:30? I have some photos from the trip I don't want to waste, so I'm just going to slap a bunch right here over some music. Feel free to pause if you want to look at them. Good morning. What time is it? 10 a.m. and I'm tired as hell. I slept for 8 hours, but it was 4 hours, and then get up and pet a dog, and then 4 hours. So it's currently July 7th, and in 3 days we leave to go to the Adirondack Mountains, and you guys will see that. You guys will see that. A lot of my fun here has been recorded on Snapchat, so you might see a lot of vertical videos, but that's okay. Y'all will deal with that, right? All right. I just got my nephews and nieces some Tim Hortons, which is a Canadian cafe, if you guys don't know. It is currently, I think, the 8th of July right now. And yeah, headed back home to get my nephews and nieces, about a half a mile away. And I'll show you guys their reactions.
So I may or may not have totally forgotten to record their reactions, but I harassed them a little bit later and asked them how it was, so enjoy.
What are you eating there, Alaska? Timbits. Huey, what are you eating there?
Timbits?
Oh, yes, sir. Clark, you like your Timbit? Or, I mean Fred, not Clark. You already know? Canada's right there. Where are you headed? Good. There they go. Oh shit.
Alright boys, enough of the Snapchat. Let's roll to actual footage now. So by this time we're at the lake. The first thing we did in the morning was go tubing. And a reminder, I got there at like 3 or 4 a.m. So I was really tired. So all the people around me, I only know a few of them. I know 2 of my cousins and the rest are like my cousin's friends. So I'm not really familiar with the people around me, but I do end up getting to know them and they do end up actually being pretty cool. So that's exciting.
Yes, sir.
You know, this rope is actually here to prevent snakes from getting inside. But here we are. In a lake house by the Adirondacks. Let me show you around a little bit. It's more of a cabin than a house, but yeah.
So I'm actually about to head to a hike. It's a mountain that's only about a mile high, which is a lot to some people, but I've climbed national mountains that are much higher than that. And it was probably my favorite part about this trip was hiking. And I was gonna do it a second time, but it ended up raining and making the whole like mountain a muddy mess, so we didn't end up going a second time. But I have a lot more clips and I'm not sure if this is something you guys would enjoy, so I'm only gonna stretch this out to about 8 minutes. If you guys are interested in a part 2, however, definitely leave a comment because I'm not sure how my audience will react to this kind of video, considering it's not a gaming video. But I'm always totally down to make more like this because I haven't even been gaming that much lately. And I enjoyed this a lot, like so much. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I put in a ton of effort into my videos and any support would mean the world to me. Drop a like for the algorithm and enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Update, we almost at the top. You already know the deal. Why is it not focusing? There he goes.
Bro, I'm really about to get your pickle chin that boy. Hey, go at Calgary.